this robotic arm assembly, the arm component can be programmed for 3D printing using CAMWorks Additive Manufacturing. To get started, define the machine in CAMWorks to be an additive machine. Start a new job which will orient the part on the building plate of the machine. Next, CAMWorks Additive Manufacturing automatically builds the support structures. With the part programmed, it can be sent to the 3D printer. Now, CAMWorks can be used to machine the 3D printed part. Define the machine and stock, and then CAMWorks can automatically machine support surfaces to critical dimensions. CAMWorks can also recognize holes and threads and machine those automatically. Simulation shows the support structures being machined to get the critical finish. Additive and CAM programs are stored in the CAMWorks configurations in the native SOLIDWORKS documents and are fully associative. If the part or 3D printing is updated, then CAM programs get updated automatically.